Hi there, this is the Garden Gist, and if this is your first time here, you are welcome. This channel is all about helping you to grow healthy and organic food, whether it is a tropical veggies or cold weather crops. If you love nature, if you love gardening, and if you love good food, this is the channel to follow, because I'm going to be uploading videos and sharing some tips on how to grow healthy vegetables. Please subscribe, like, share this video, turn on the notification button so that you will be notified anytime I uploaded a new video. So today I will show you the easy way to trellis your vegetables. So I'm going to show you the easy way I trellis my cucumber and ugu seedlings. So without wasting much of your time, let's do it. I got this 6-foot sturdy stick from Home Depot, and I'm going to be using it to form my trellis. I also have my pair of scissors. I have my twist ties, and also here I got my netting. So this is my netting. So sit back and watch how I do it. I have two sturdy sticks, two 6-foot sturdy sticks. So I'm gonna put this down, make sure it is firm. Okay, I've already tied the other end, so I'm going to extend it to this end. Okay, like this. Okay, so it's standing. So the next thing I will do is to make sure I'll have to tie it with my twist tie. Hold it very firm. Yeah, so this is the finished product. This is how it looks. It's very firm. I made sure I tie the two ends with the twist tie, and yeah, so the cucumbers, I have cucumbers on this bed, so the cucumbers can trellis. Thank you for watching. Watch out for my next video. Have a great day.